Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Jobvilla. Today we are going to discuss the details jobs of Iomiko company present in Saudi Arabia. So we discuss the details. Please share video with others and also subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button to get the notification earlier. Details of the jobs are here. Iomiko company, alyousuf operation and maintenance co. We are hiring for a leading EPC project in Saudi Arabia. Open positions are estimation manager, project manager, civil, EPC, industrial project background experience. Aramco project would be preferable. Second one is contract manager, lead contract administrator, contract engineer, scaffolding operation manager, project manager mechanical, and construction manager mechanical and civil. Local transfer and overseas applicants can also apply. All candidates must have engineering degree and 10 plus years of experience in oil and gas EPC projects. Please share your CV with confidence at alyousuf.ksa@gmail.com. alyousuf.ksa@gmail.com. We hope this video is helpful for you to apply for these positions. Thank you.